Today we have a surprise for Alex.
Surprise, Alex.
An early Christmas surprise. Okay?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Don't look. It's coming. You gotta wait. A little faster. No peeking. Don't look. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Surprise!
Okay, stop.
What is it?
Dinos, guys. Dinos, guys.
It's a train.
Oh, look, it's the owner.
It's the North Pole.
Yeah, owner. Open it.
You want to open it?
Yes.
Okay.
You fixed it.
Yeah! It's the North Pole Express.
We got this fish bun.
It's the Christmas train set. Look, and it comes with a wireless remote.
Yes, you go in the moats and the moat.
A wireless remote.
Look at this.
And look at the little guys.
Yeah, it's a snowman.
Yeah.
Mom,
You want to set
open
it?
that.
You want to open it?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna open it, come on.
What is it?
I don't know. It's a dress. Oh,
Whoa.
yeah. What's it? It's snowman. Dress. A dress. Dress. Uh-oh, it's stuck.
You got to take that rubber band off.
It's more dress.
Choo choo. Look, there's 2 right here. You gotta put them together.
Yes, put it together. And then there's more tracks.
More tracks?
Yeah, beautiful.
Oh, whoa.
Oh, more tracks. Mom.
You gotta put them all together.
Yes. I'm gonna open window.
You gotta put the track first.
I'm gonna open the window. I'm gonna open window. Open window.
It don't come with instructions. Instructions! Whoa.
I'm gonna open the door.
You can't open, let me see.
I'm gonna open the door.
Can you open the door?
Yes.
Oh, it's so cute. No, you can't open the door.
Open the door. Open the door.
It doesn't have a door.
A train track.
There's
more.
Whoa, I don't know what this is called. You gotta take off the rubber bands. Look, this is where Santa Claus is inside. Supposed to be.
And the train landed on it.
Yeah, but we gotta put the tracks together first.
No, it's working.
We gotta put them together first.
Yes.
Look like this. Look like mommy. So where do you put the straight ones? together. Look like this. I think the circle's too small. What?
¿Cómo se llama el libro? Mighty Fighters. Wow. Wow. Oh. I need the money. Wait, Tommy. I'm sorry. I'm going to go to the house. In the house. Thanks. Welcome. They're very good.
What are you doing?
I'm getting the money and the money. And then the water.
Okay, Alex, we gotta put the train on the track.
Yeah, the train on the track, I don't know.
Well, come here. Then we gotta put all these little signs right here.
Come here.
You gotta hook it on there. Doesn't that one go last? No? It doesn't matter, right? Is this one, then the other one? This one. That one's next.
Which one?
That one.
This is the last one.
Oh, is that one, then this one. Come on, Alex, we gotta put this one.
Yes.
Here. Put it over there in the back of that one. You got it? Put the next one. So we can turn it on. We gotta put them all together.
Which one is next?
I don't think it matters. Okay, we gotta put these last ones and then we can turn it on.
It's one.
That one's last. So put this one next. So this one goes next right here. And then hook it on here. Look. You hook one. Yeah, like that. Okay, that's hooked already. So put it on the train track. Put the next one. The little kids, this one.
And it's Christmas.
No, it's this one. Look. That one's next. You got it?
What's back here?
But look, you gotta make sure it's on the track. If not, it won't work. You need help? Okay, hold on. You got it? No? I'll help you. It's okay. Let me see.
I'll help you. Ouch! Ow! Star! Yeah, star. Maybe I'm gonna show you. My sugar in my house. Wait.
Are you ready?
Yes.
What was that? Okay, we gotta turn it on.
How?
Look, come here. Okay, we're gonna twist this way. You see the little lights on? Okay. And then we're gonna press. Oh, you're in the way. Right here, look. Press it right here.
Whoa.
Wait. Whoa. Uh-oh. What happened?
No! It's crashing!
It crashed?
Yes!
We gotta fix fix it again. You gotta stop it. Look, press stop right here in the square. There you go. Look, it's fine. Look, it's working. And then if you press the other arrow, look. If you press this one, it goes forward. Ah. Whoa. We got it. Ah, man.
Oh, man.
Accidents happen.
It's Christmas tree.
We gotta fix it again.
Yeah, I got fixing it again.
Okay. And they can put music. You wanna put the music?
No.
Like that.
Stop!
You wanna put the music? Right here, look. Press, you gotta press this button. Whoa. Choo choo.
Uh-oh, you're stuck.
Is it getting stuck? No?
Oh, no.
Oh no.
Oh, no, it gets a crash. Oh, it gets turned off.
You can go backwards. You wanna go backwards?
Yeah, backwards.
You gotta press, look, turn it around.
Uh-huh.
You gotta press this one.
Yeah, push this one.
You see? Whoa.
It's backwards.
He's going backwards.
Yeah, it's backwards.
Choo choo.
Oh, what again?
Whoa.
Oh, again. It's more again.
What are you doing? Put it right here. No?
Look. Tree, I just got a tree. My eye is What happened?
You almost stuck it right here.
I will stop it. Tree.
You gotta press the arrow. It's going what?
Oh no!
It's going backwards.
Yeah, backwards.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Ah!
Wow.
No.
You gotta put it in the front. Right there. And then do it forward. Here. Press this one. So it can go forward. Oh, there it goes. Whoa. Whoa. It's gonna go back around. You ready? And then you stop it when it gets over here, okay? Uh-oh. Oh, you stopped it. Do it again. Press forward. Miss Leah.
No.
Let it come back around.
Yes.
There it goes.
That's Unos.
Yay. Choo choo.
Unos. Unos.
What is it? Say bye, train. Tell them bye-bye, train.